up, guys? We are out here today. The question is, are big bike rides boring? That is the question. But today we are on the FZ as I'm getting my tires changed over and stuff. But today's going to be a big bike ride, so let me know what you think. I don't really do these often, but hopefully this is entertaining for you guys. Guys, we are on a big bike ride today. There's a lot of Groms, so all my friends are on Groms and Z's and stuff, and it sucks because mine's not together. Oh well. I'm gonna try some second gear wheelies on this thing because that's pretty much all I can do. But yeah, let's try to have some fun today as much as we can. Tried so hard. Maybe not the worst day to be on the FZ. The Grom guys are definitely hating life right now as they are full throttle all the time, but I still wish I could be with them. He's only got 1 bar of gas.
I can't believe it. If it isn't Mike Honcho himself, shake and bake, buddy! Shake it before you bake it!
Thanks for helping shake, guys. I tried. Tyler's still killing it. Hell yeah, Tyler! So yeah, guys, this is what I mean, a big bike ride. You can see how all of them have left us, and there's a couple trying to catch up and stuff, but there's some people on Groms and Z's and stuff, which is what I normally ride. So this is why I don't like doing big bike rides. It's, you know, you're constantly going 70 miles an hour or faster, and if you're on a Grom or Z, there's no way you're keeping up. So I don't know. I guess it's a good thing today though that I am on the big bike, because I'm able to keep up if I wanted to, but I don't know. My friends are back there. I'm just cruising. There you go, Tyler. Oh. Kept it.
Yeah, get this shit over there.
Are you flashing?
Huh?
Is your gas light flashing?
Yeah.
Oh man, you're close. I'm not gonna lie, the riding jacket is very hot.
Yeah, why you don't get one?
I know, I normally don't wear one, but
If I go down, I go the fuck down.
look, I'm a Harley. Look, David, look, I'm a Harley. Oh my God, hold on. I'll just stick down here. All right, so we are leaving the spot we were at. There's apparently some cops coming, so we're out of here. Oh, that is kind of awesome. Oh, he got speed wobbles when he landed. All right, looks like we're splitting off. We had a little bit of fun, but cops coming kind of ended that, so we're out of here. Hey, David, you ready? David's got freaking cruise control on his Grom now. Look at this crap. This is hilarious. Go, David. Oh yeah, I see the cop now. Heads up, cop is still following us.
A few moments later.
I got bad pavement up here. Look at all this crap that I'm running through. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours. This is going to be the ending to the episode. We're just doing a lot wheelie session. I'm not going to do any wheelies because it's a little loud. But here's the guys, Miller and Tyler. Different because I wasn't on the little Z, but I'll be back next week on the little Z, and the crawl is coming up very soon, so hopefully this video comes out before the crawl. If not, we had a good crawl, but I'm pretty sure it will. But hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more wheelies, more off-road adventures, more everything. Later guys.